Dr. Mel is reviewing the human body systems with a group of medical students. She uses the case of Rufus Humphrey to provide context for the review. Let's listen in.
Circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. It is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. In Rufus's case, even though he is deceased, any previous changes or dysfunctions in this system could have affected the delivery of essential substances to his tissues or the removal of waste. Digestive system comprises the stomach, intestines, liver, and other organs involved in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Prior to his death, this system was essential for processing the food Rufus consumed, extracting nutrients, and eliminating waste. Respiratory system consists of the lungs and airways, facilitating the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. While Rufus is no longer breathing, this system would have been crucial for his oxygen intake and carbon dioxide expulsion, especially if respiratory issues were a part of his health concerns. Nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It coordinates the body's responses to changes in its internal and external environment. Rufus's nervous system would have been critically impacted by his repeated head injuries and any neurological symptoms of lupus. Muscular system made up of skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. This system enables movement and maintains posture. Rufus's muscular control and physical movements would have been impaired by his injuries and lupus. Skeletal system provides structural support and protection through bones, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Rufus's skeletal system was directly affected by the trauma to his skull from the repeated injuries and possibly by lupus-related joint issues. Endocrine system involves glands that secrete hormones regulating bodily functions. Rufus's autoimmune disorder could have disturbed this system's balance, potentially affecting his overall hormonal regulation prior to his death. Integumentary system includes the skin, hair, and nails. It protects against environmental damage, regulates temperature, and has sensory receptors. The rashes observed on Rufus's cheeks were integumentary manifestations of lupus. Immune system defends against pathogens and maintains bodily integrity. Rufus's immune system was compromised by lupus, affecting its ability to correctly identify and fight external threats and internal errors. Urinary system involves the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. It helps filter blood, removing toxins and excess substances. Lupus could have severely affected this system, potentially leading to conditions like lupus nephritis. Reproductive system, responsible for producing offspring and includes organs like the ovaries and testes, along with the processes of fertilization and childbirth. While not directly implicated in Rufus's immediate medical issues, systemic diseases like lupus can affect reproductive health.
These systems, each with their specific functions, are interrelated, emphasizing the complexity of human physiology and the wide-reaching impact of systemic diseases like lupus and traumatic injuries.